Hi everyone, welcome to a brief orientation for your research action plan and your IRB timeline, which is probably mostly one of the biggest main things of this course. So one, you will find additional details about this assignment in the assignment itself. This video is just a quick orientation. Your research action plan is essentially your IRB proposal. So those two terms are almost used interchangeably. So what we'll primarily be doing in this course is really actually designing your dissertation study, your DIP study, the change cycle or change cycles that you will implement in your organization. And you'll gather those ideas and outline them for Midland's IRB, their Institutional Review Board, and you'll submit it for approval. You do also have, and you'll see later in this course has so many resources for you. You're going to see additional discussion about your bounded timeline. So your bounded timeline or your bounded time frame, which means the time that you will actually implement your change cycle, implement your PDSA, your Plan, Do, Study, Act cycle, will be during the courses of EDD 815 and EDD 816. So look at your course of study. Every cohort might be a little different. Look at when you're going to take the 8-week course 815 and the 8-week course 816. Your goal is to do most of the implementation in 815 because you're also going to have to be doing a lot of writing. 815 and 816 are primarily reserved for your data collection and analysis and writing up of your implementation cycles, continue to write additional chapters of your dissertation. So that's your bounded time frame, which means that you might have a change idea, like a PDSA cycle that fits within that bounded time frame, like when you're actually going to take those courses. Great. If not, that's okay. Your goal in this class is to edit and revise and refine your change cycle so that it fits within that bounded time frame. So that is your goal. That's what you're working with. Your change cycles, you can consider choosing the following, like one 30-day change cycle or one 45-day change cycle. You can fit a 30-day and a 45-day change cycle in 815 and maybe overlapping into a little bit of 816, or you can run two 30-day, that should say it's a spelling error, simultaneous change cycles. You know, I also have a little bit of typos everywhere because I'm human. So that's what you're thinking of. Your IRB proposal form is going to be due in week 7. So week 7 of this course is when you will submit your IRB proposal form to Midland's IRB. Again, you have additional links here in this orientation that'll send you out to assignments. And if you take a look at our Canvas course, you have a number of materials that are going to coach you through every step of this. Again, this is just a brief orientation video. It's not your primary lesson on it, but just to give you a sense of what to expect in this course.